Ijina ha no pay. Sa me yire tete me am yire be free me quotation. There is no way I am going to have the soundness to articulate what I'm talking about. Sa me jina hey. Me yire tete me. They can't one no aka two. Ya kodana jo no atu gate him. Ma jine no ajine no bebo dam. And I'm on the American.
Alabaster Prophet Kofi Oduro any obeti tie na Solomon so di ato aso ye tie papa ya abonten aba beye video na we kwa de nye video ogina na sorry dem a o preach na Ghana for so am ye hu ni say asantefo nwoma no wo mo se ekuti ahu enim ni wura enti ensem wa ye papa Prophet Kofi Oduro e ka no Ghana for e di atagi woni padasani bi aha AfricMedia so mesro afei we share me a subscribe na like share video yi e fama me e ma re fi so obebo bell ne so se be ya upload the bell tom bia obetumi anya bia hwe na wanya bi nso atie medofo ye gbawura ensem yi mu ana se Prophet Kofi Oduro ya papa ye nim se abre bi oba abonten na o preach ensem a wo ka ne mudo emu odu anu ti abre bia no ne nsem no Ghana for efa ede ye adwuma nanso nsem aba beto adwa ne Ghana for etwe ne srani abasa ne se ye maame Charlotte Oduro counselor ye maame wete ahia ne wo Kingdom FM ene UTV no da ha ensem a wo kan da ne se ma ye nhwe ye kunu no mu yie sade tie bi ete sai kura na yen ka omo nhwe yem te say yem ma because be ma de you can never please a man maame nsem a wo kan da ne da nyina nsem a wo kan eno no na ye sorry ye fofi anto ata maame ya wo no kire ye say yen hwe ye hu yie na yen kan ye kumu nhwe yem you can never please a man sade ye betie bi afa ne sa ne ye maame eja ware eno na Ghana for kan say Prophet Kofi Oduro preach and wo preaching what the maya maame direct says sabe wo ya Ghana ni ana wo ya baya na wo ti wo memu ha se ya e wo se wo timi de wadwene nante mu obi ndwene mawo esan sa bre bia ne so kokofo obi adwene a e beda ne agutu ya maame eja aware enam suma Ghana for kan say ene ensem a Prophet Kofi Oduro e kan what the Charlotte Oduro yenti ensem a wo kan emra ne ba na say yo no a ya tenasenya kan ensem ni mu
be serious. Be very serious. Sometimes, just like the Bible was talking about, I think it's in Matthew chapter number 6, verse 7. Matthew 6, 7. Can I see what is there? Matthew 6, 7. Okay, then it's 7, 6. 10 it, let me see. Matthew chapter 7, verse 6. Is that correct? Okay. The Bible said, give not that which is holy to the dogs. Okay, then turn it into the Message version. Let's see what the Bible has got to say. The Bible said, don't be flip with the sacred, banter and silliness. Give no honor to God. Don't reduce holy mysteries to slogans. In trying to be relevant, you are only being cute and inviting. Turn it into GNT version. In the GNT version, the Bible says, don't give that which is holy to dogs. They will only turn and attack you. Okay, to the Amplified version. Maybe what I'm looking for will appear. Don't give that which is holy to the dogs. Don't throw your pearls to the pigs. Don't give something precious like your heart. Don't give it to dogs. Jesus is the preacher here. He is referring to human beings as dogs and pigs. Jesus is the preacher. This 14th of February, Enkrama ne beri ni pamana koma. Enkrama man. The dogs would devour the human beings. 14 February, I'm inviting you to a limited entry Love Talk, the 14th February edition at Crystal Palm Hotel Conference Hall. The seating is only 300 people. And I have people beyond that. So we are going to put up a Google registration online tomorrow. You register and reserve a seat, only 300 people. I want to speak to people who want to master the art of relationship and marriage. Did you know how no pay? There is no way I am going to have the soundness to articulate what I'm talking about. Say me jina hey, me jere tete me, me ka wanu akatu. Ya koda na jo, no atu gate mu. Ma jene no, a jene no bebo dam. Ana mo nimbi America no. Yamomo yamo said you wouldn't must make a home cry. I'm a mama, one name, mama. You know, look at the intensity by which I'm speaking this morning. You know, it tells you, say, this guy is sound-minded, his heart is at peace, he is pushing something very strongly. She naked if your wife is a tyrant and a nag, I'm telling you, you will not have. If your girlfriend or your fiance is something else, I'm telling you, we are driver, we are mate, we are doctor, we are nurse, you will be negligent, somebody's baby will die. And so don't think like, what is relationship, what is marriage? Sweetheart, you know, the people who have mastered the art of human or people skills, you know, they are at peace. So I'm telling you, they are ready. If they are reading a speech, you can see that they have a sense of concentration. Concentration is solid. But the Niemania. Many years ago in the First Republic, one you know, there was a minister that was given a seat and came at the speech script, the manuscript had missing, had gone missing, and came that today is a great day. And a great day is today. Of course, today is a great day. If you be serious. What the wakoma massacre briefly we ni pay when your papa obekon in check who have been quite a front one we see all last week or known in a girlfriend na be do front me kasachire mo amonte. When you are caught in with a man, you don't sleep in a man's house, you don't wash for the man, you don't cook for the man. Trust on that way, Diane. You be book asia winti. I'm telling you. People I mean, I don't understand. You know, how will you complain to me if you be book in the stance where I am preaching against you know, certain habit? How will you complain to me? Then what about catch him and I'm a coin and be catching them or Mao a Bentley and a Range Rover and Gaba be catching them Mokona etikemua, then you come making stupid.
Menafo nsano ni akotie di abane wa wohwe me wa wotie me eya no kure se Charlotte Oduro e na wode ma no se eya no kure se nya no kure nya ba betodwa awi na no na Ghana fo bi kan se eya nka e ma me Charlotte nso de na se de osika ne se mi de ni muda se bibi betumi asia ma ware krampo ye de wo megyae enam kasa ne nsem abre bi obeka ne social media nanso Ghana fo bi so kiremu a prophet Oduro na sorry na wo ye enu nti yentimi mfa eye Charlotte Oduro asam no kanta prophet de ne se ne die nti ena oba be preach na enyame na de asoma no enu nti ne wo a wutie ye bia no enyame asam ena prophet ye de brew wo hwe me na wutie mi a wone ne ye adwene ye kwanya ne wo ho se comment section na so de beto ase de amame na ya pense mu ma remfi so say AfricMedia ye all the social media platforms ni so e di ameje so e twa so hema da senne ye be se hye